Well, I always wanted to come back to Bombay and make a movie. And this movie was very exciting for me to do because it's also the first movie I've written since Lunchbox. The other two movies I made in between is something that other people wrote. And so I always wanted to get back to my own writing. And also, it was really nice to have a reunion of all the crew that worked on Lunchbox came back together again, and also a reunion with Nawaz and a chance to work together again. So I was very excited to do it, to find an excuse to come back to Bombay and make a movie here. Well, it was really special for me because they are between them. It's 100 years of cinema, and they are just both fabulous actors. The most special part of that movie for me was the week before the shoot, when it was just the three of us in a room rehearsing, in a set of a bedroom, and just rehearsing the scenes in the movie where they're talking. And to me, those are the most special scenes in the movie. And I was just so honored to be with them. Just there, Robert Redford always says, be humble and have fun, and that's what I learned from him. And that's what I try to do.
ऑफ कोर्स टेक्निकलिटीज़ के लिए जैसे फ़ोटोग्राफ्स ये वो उनको ऑब्ज़र्व करना, फ़ोटोग्राफर्स जो थे उनको ऑब्ज़र्व करना, और बाकी रितेश का अपना वो था, डिस्क्रिप्शन था किस तरीके से हमें करना है। रितेश ने कोशिश की कि जो मैं हूँ वही प्ले करूँ। तो इसमें आप देखेंगे तो मैंने कोई कैरेक्टराइजेशन नहीं किया, जो मैं हूँ वही प्ले किया। और वो
पूरी लाइफ प्रिपेयर कर रहे थे आप इस रोल के लिए?
मैंने इसको 45 इयर्स तक प्रिपेयर किया। हाँ, जिस तरीके से वो हमारे लिए रितेश ने वो प्रोवाइड किए थे, वो फोटोग्राफर्स, हम मिले उनसे हम लोग, और क्योंकि हम लोग 5-6 दोस्त हैं इसमें, तो सब फोटोग्राफर्स हैं, उनमें 2-3 फोटोग्राफर्स हैं उसमें, और बाकी जो फोटोग्राफर्स आए थे उनको ऑब्ज़र्व किया वो कैसे हैंडलिंग करते हैं वो अपने अपरेटस को, और किस तरीके से बातें करते हैं वहाँ पे, किस तरीके से अपने ग्राहक को पटाते हैं, फ़ोटो खींचते हैं, उनका इस तरह का उनका वो जो रवैया रहता है। और धीरे धीरे जब गर्मी हो जाती है, उनका एनर्जी कैसे डाउन हो जाती है, तो ये भी ऑब्ज़र्व किया। तो काफ़ी चीज़ें मिली उनसे, एक्चुअल जो फोटोग्राफर्स थे।
Well, I think it's always nice when people say that about a movie, that the city is a character. But while you're working on it, while you're writing it, or while you're shooting it, consciously you don't think about that. I don't, at least. I'm always trying to shoot a movie through the characters, not through the city. But I think it's interesting that I take it as a great compliment when people say that Mumbai is a character in Lunchbox or in this movie, because usually when I'm on a set or shooting in location in Bombay, there's so much in Bombay and there's so much going on that most of the decisions are how do we keep it out and focus on the characters. And then the city is so powerful and overwhelming in many ways, and also these characters can only be from Bombay, so the city is also inside them, and that's probably has more to do with it than something the way I shot it or something I did, because like my focus always on set is that how do we tell the story through the characters. But I think Bombay is such a powerful presence that it's hard to keep it out. It's hard to keep it out, and it always ends up being in a movie, and people always say that, which is very interesting to me.
कार्तिक सुब्बीराज जो डायरेक्टर हैं, उन्होंने पहले के काम देखे हुए थे मेरे, तो वो चाह रहे थे कि मैं करूं उस फिल्म में, और मेरा भी खुद का मन था कि मैं रजनी सर के साथ काम करूं, क्योंकि वो हमारी कंट्री के सबसे बड़े सुपरस्टार हैं, नो डाउट, और रियल सुपरस्टार हैं वो, अगर देखा जाए तो उनके साथ काम करने का मेरा भी मन था। वो किस तरीके से काम करते हैं, वो क्यों वो इतने बड़े सुपरस्टार हुए, क्या स्टाइल था उनका, तो मुझे तो फिल्म में शूटिंग भी कर रहा था और उनका स्टाइल भी देख रहे थे, जो स्वैग है उनके पास, तो वो भी हाँ, तो बड़ा मज़ा आया उनके साथ काम करके।
I really I think everybody's different. What makes sense to me is, like, I really want to tell Indian stories to the world, and that's just I think that is in some ways I feel like it is something that I love doing, is that if I can tell a story that's set here in Bombay and it can travel around the world, and it always helps to have people invested in the movie from outside, because then they have a stake in its success outside India. And also what I find is that I love to make the movies that I want to watch, and when you take a little bit of money from everybody, you get a lot of control. And if you take a lot of money from one person, then that person becomes your boss. So it's just a little thing that I spent 4 years with just me and the script of Lunchbox, just the two of us, and during that time I learned a lot about how the business works and a lot about how I can get freedom to make the kind of movies that I want to make. So I like doing that, you know, because then you don't have a boss. But you know, now I said it out loud, so now the secrets are out. You know, I think there is a little bit of a misconception about the role of festivals. It's not just a cultural event. Of course, they have great audiences, but what's really great about movie festivals is that they are meccas of filmmaking. So a lot of buyers come there. They are actually what they really are. They are called festivals, but they are actually markets. I've always found that it's a really nice platform to have a film at Sundance or Berlin and Cannes and then have it be sold. So like this movie, for example, we screened it at Sundance, then it was bought by distributors around the world. So we sold in every country in the world, and this movie is going to be in theaters, starting with India on March 15th. It's going to release in theaters in India, and then it's going to release in various countries after that. So that's what the role of a festival is. You know, it's aside from just the prestige of screening there, I think more importantly, it's a way for us to get our stories in front of new audiences.
एक्चुअली रितेश ने यही चाहा था, जब क्योंकि स्टोरी जब इवॉल्व हो रही थी तो रितेश ने, हम लोग काफ़ी डिस्कशन हुआ था हमारी, पर्सनली हमने ऐसे ही काफ़ी डिस्कस करते थे। तो चूँकि रितेश के साथ मैं पहले भी काम कर चुका था और डेफिनेटली मेरा जो मेन पर्पस था, मुझे रितेश के साथ काम करना था एक्चुअली, उससे भी ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा। अरे वो बहुत अच्छी कमाल की एक्ट्रेस हैं वो, मतलब बहुत ही चुप रहने वाली हैं, लेकिन अंदर अंदर काफ़ी कुछ है उनके भरा हुआ है दिमाग में, यू नो।
वो यही है एक्चुअली, पीछे छुपी हुई है।
ये देखो अभी भी छुपी हुई हैं यहाँ पे।
Well, you know, the movie started like that for me because I wanted to. Well, I grew up watching a lot of movies here set in Bombay that came out in the 80s and 90s. You know, there was always a poor guy and a rich girl. The poor guy was always a motor mechanic or something like that. So I thought, what if there was a way to make a movie about a poor guy and a rich girl, or somewhat rich girl, which was believable and organic, and you could believe that these two people want to spend time together for the entire length of the movie. There's some kind of longing inside them that is making them do that.
मैं तो लव स्टोरी एंजॉय करता हूँ, सिंपल सी बात है, मुझे लव स्टोरी करना बहुत पसंद है। और अब आने वाले फोटोग्राफ से मुझे चाव लग गया है लव स्टोरीज़ का, उसके बाद मैं सब फिल्में लव स्टोरीज़ ही करूँगा, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए।
You know, I actually don't photograph very well, so I'm always embarrassed to see my own pictures. So my fondest photographs are always of other people's. But you know, I have my mother is very meticulous about keeping these family albums by ear, and she always slips a little piece of paper inside in front of every photo, which has, you know, time, date, place, and you know, I love going through those albums and looking at myself when I was a kid and being horrified.
एक बार क्या हुआ कि मैं जैसलमेर में था, एक होटल में मैं रुका हुआ था, तो उसकी बालकनी में मैं बैठा हुआ था। तो शाम का टाइम था, दोपहर, हाँ शाम 4-5 बजे के आसपास का टाइम था। तो क्या होता है ना, मिराज होता है, वो कुछ ऐसे कुछ पानी सा दिखाई देता है, वो मृगमृच्छिका बोलते हैं उसको हिंदी में। तो बहुत दूर से वो दिखाई दे रहा था, तो उसमें एक बकरी चल के आ रही थी हैं, और उसके पीछे उसका एक वो था जिसकी बकरी थी, उसने साफ़ा पहन रखा था ऐसे, और बहुत ही विंडी था पूरा वो, तो उसका साफ़ा ऐसे ऐसे लहरा रहा था और आगे आगे बकरी चले, तो दूर से ना एक पॉइंट दिखाई दे रहा था, तो ऐसे कुछ एल शेप में कुछ ऐसा कुछ बन रहा था, बिकॉज ऑफ वो मिराज की वजह से वो कुछ ऐसा बन रहा था वो। तो वो मैंने फ़ोटो लिया था, वो तो मेरे पास है अभी तक, वो तो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग फ़ोटो है वो।
वो असली में था कि कुछ
हैं?
असली में था?
नहीं, असली में था। राजस्थान दिखा, जैसलमेर में था मैं ना, दूर से दिखाई दे रहा था वो इस तरह की एक शेप। जब पास में तब मुझे पता चला कि ये बकरी है और उसके पीछे उसका चरवाहा है, ये लोग थे, और उसने साफा पहन रखा था बहुत लंबा, जो उसमें हिल रहा था वो हवा में।
मैंने भी सेम देखा था, मगर असली नहीं था वो।